Hi everyone, so finally I'm on YouTube and this is my first video, so obviously guys, I know it's not going to be perfect and I just want to ask you guys, how was your Eid? Mine was really good and I have received some presents from India, so I've not opened the parcel yet, but I'm going to open it in front of you guys and let's see what's inside. 1 minute. Okay, so I'm just going to be careful not to rip anything. So much sellotape. Done. I just want to make sure that I don't damage anything inside. What the hell? So excited. Yeah, iPhone don't have a nice skin there. No, I don't think so. Okay, so I've got a phone cover, a plain one, and then oh my god, this is so cute. Just look at this cover, guys. It's a Swarovski phone cover, and it's my favourite colour as well, purple. So let me show you that. Look how stunning and how gorgeous is that cover. That is just amazing. So yeah, I'll pack that up later on. And then I've got like a plain phone cover, so many phone covers. And then oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, this is so cute. Pink and purple, my two favourite colours. How gorgeous is this? You get that with it as well. A Dio cover. That is so damn cute. And then a Gucci cover. LV. And oh my god, that is so cute. That is so cute. And then what else have I got? Oh my god. Oh my god. That is so cute. A black one. A Prada one. Ta-da. And then oh my god. Oh my god. That is just beautiful. Guys, just look at that. That is stunning. Swarovski. It actually looks better in real life, honestly. And then what else do we have? Just a plain phone cover for every day. And then oh my god, that is so cute. That is so cute. So many phone covers. Look at that. It's actually got moving glitter, but you can't actually see it properly on screen. And then what else? Okay, so I've got, what the hell? I've got an empty. Why is this empty? Somebody's took the damn glass out of it. Look, it's an empty box. Done. And then I've got another Swarovski cover in like a goldeny, like a rose gold colour. And then got some lamination stickers for my phone. And some tempered glass. Yeah, because I will be getting a new phone soon. So, and then I've got one more phone cover, but that's something that I don't want to show here. So I don't really want to show this to anyone, yeah, because I'm going to keep this for a different day to show you guys, yeah. And yeah, some things I actually want to keep private. So yeah, that's everything. And you know, just in case you're wondering where everything's from, so everything that I've got in this box for mobile related, like glass or, you know, protective shields, phone covers, this is all from SS Mobile Accessories. And yeah, just don't get it twisted, guys. They don't sell mobile phones. All they do is sell accessories. You know, they do phone lamination, and it's just a mobile phone accessory shop. They don't sell any second-hand phones or any phones. So basically, this is opposite city. Hang on one sec. I don't actually know the address off by heart, but I wrote it down somewhere, but I've forgotten now. Just 1 minute. Obviously, you know that I'm not organised for this video at all, and I've just made it. I've not really edited it or anything like that, so 1 minute. Yeah, so basically it's National Trade Centre, opposite Old City Centre, Baruch, G15. Okay, guys, and it's just accessories. It's not actually like any phone or anything like that. So yeah. And yeah, another thing, if you want 10% off any of your accessories, just quote Sophia10 and you will have to subscribe to me when you go to the store. Yeah, so you can get added to the list for any new offers. Yes, so that's Sophia10 if you want any discount. And yeah, hope you enjoyed the unboxing. So bye, guys.